In this video, I'm just going to show the demo application that we are going to build at the end of this series or at the end of this section. So this is a full stack application that I have built in the Marin stack like 5 months ago, I think. It is essentially an online ordering system, okay? And I have used all for example, database, server-side code, and so on. But in this series or in this section, we are only going to design or build the layout. Okay, the layout, I mean the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the front end. Okay. And we are not going to use, for example, React or something like that because we don't need any state management stuff. We are just going to show you how to build layouts, and that's it. But here we are also going to learn about front-end optimization, how to make your website load incredibly fast. So also we are going to learn about more responsiveness tricks, how to make your website much more responsive, and so on for all devices. So I think that this section is really more about optimization and the responsiveness more than building layouts. But I have chosen to explain the optimization and the responsiveness in a real world application so you don't feel boring or something like that. So before we get started, I'm just going to show you the application or the layout. Again, we have a navigation, very simple one. And here we have the header. If we scroll to the bottom, we have this part right here. And this one right here. And this one right here as well, and so on. So it's not that advanced layout. Again, it is just more about optimization as well as about the responsiveness. But let's build the layout while we are going to build something. So again, that's it. It is very simple. So again, this is the demo application that we are going to build. Again, we are going to focus on the responsiveness and the optimization. So don't feel boring from now and so on. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to get set up, and see you in the next one.